Now let's complete with the correct sound. Let's see. What are they doing? First one, he's taking a nap. So here on this side, on the last column, you're going to find the beginning sound for you to use and complete the words. So the first word you see up there is a boy napping. Remember? He's napping. So the word is nap. Which of these three letters here sounds like n? That's the first sound, right? Nap. N. Is this one? This one goes s. Very good. Is it this one? This one goes p, p. How does this goes? N. Very good. So that's our letter. N, letter N. N. So we're going to put letter N right there. So now you have nap. Nap. Good. Do you remember that is? Ip. Is it a sip or a pip? Sip is also a word, huh? When you take a sip of your coffee. So that's another word you can make and read because you already know those sounds. So pip. Good job. You choose the P that goes p, p, and you put it over there and makes pip. So the last one is it. S, sit. Very good. Well done.